Hi, I am Babli Banik. I would like to talk about my thought process for implementing string manipulation program. Program has two parts. First part of the program asks user to provide first name and last name. And then system creates full name from first name and last name. Once full name is available, system generates other output like getting length of the full name or making full name in all uppercase or in all lowercase. For second part of the program, application gets little smarter as system will already know the maximum and minimum hours a student need to study to do well in this software design class. Maximum hour is 20 and minimum hour is 12. System takes the weekly study hours from a user or a student. Student or user need to provide his weekly study hour in 3 decimal places. System then process and reduces the weekly study hour in 1 decimal places. So now we have all the specification. So let's get started. First challenge is how to take user inputs and feed that inputs to the system. We need to know how Java deals with it. Second challenge is the string manipulation approach to reduce 3 decimal places to 1 decimal place may bring the issue of rounding off. For receiving user input, Java has a scanner class. It is a part of java.util package. Scanner object can take any primitive data like int, string, double, etc. Scanner object has access to next method to receive string input and next double methods to receive decimal numbers. String is a Java class and is from java.lang.object. String concatenation can add any number of strings together. Just by adding a plus sign between two string variable, one can combine two strings together, or in our case we can get our full name. You can also concatenate empty string between first and last name too. To get size of full name, the string object has access to length method which can provide exact count of all alphabets in the full name, including the space between first and last names. Similarly, two upper method and two lower methods are available in string object. Decimal format is also a Java class and from java.lang.object. It has a method called format which can get us to 1 decimal place. As per specification, we need to code both parts in one program. So the code execution needs to be sequential. My coding approach will follow this diagram. First, scanner object will be created. This object will receive first and last name from user. System will make full name from first and last name using string concatenation. Next step will be getting size of full name by using string length method. The two upper and two lower method will get full name in upper and lower cases respectively. Same scanner object will ask user again to get his weekly study time and receive the time in 3 decimal places. Decimal format object will be created next with a patterns for requesting 1 decimal place. The format will generate weekly study hours in 1 decimal place as a string. Now we have all information to start coding the string manipulation program. So let's get started. I really appreciate any feedback and thank you for watching this video.